Hey, for pause here on Amazon, and I was reviewing your Amazon strategy, and I wanted to share a few things. But first, I wanted to congratulate you on selling on Amazon. With a 4 star rating, you've already done a lot of work to get here, and we know Amazon can be challenging to navigate. My name is Denise from my Amazon Guy, and my job is to find growth opportunities for brands on Amazon. And during my research, I found a few things that you'd be interested. So here is the tool that we use to analyze keywords. And looking at your current keyword distribution, I can see that you're not running any ads, and that's leaving money off the table. It's missed opportunities for sales because we manage hundreds of PPC accounts and have found that ads can be profitable when managed correctly. We aim for a 1 is to 2 SEO to PPC ratio, and that's the golden keyword ratio, and your organic keywords could be improved. So this is your word cloud. These are the most relevant keywords to your listing, but there are a lot of keywords that you could rank for. More organic keywords that help customer find your product without paying for any ads. And I could see that you are ranking on the highest search volume, 24th on dog diapers male 53rd, dog diapers 33rd. Let's go ahead and take a look on this keyword, dog diapers. So as you can see, opening dog diapers keyword shows a lot of ads, and your competition is advertising for this keyword, and I don't see your product. This means even though you're ranking organically with a double or triple digit, it means that you're not being seen because of the ads that is plastered around the page. But let's take a look at this category first. So, looking at this category, just for one keyword, dog diaper, there is a total revenue of $22.8 million dollars monthly, and there's a lot of market share that's still available for you. We help brands grow market share through SEO, higher click through rates, and better conversion rate. As you can see, those are advertising are selling millions of dollars monthly. Now, let's take a look on this competition. This is not to compare your product, but for us to learn about their strategy, and let's see what's working. So, Honey Care, as you can see, they sold a total of $1.8 million dollars for the last 30 days. Now, let's take a look on their keywords. So, they are not running ads, but they're trending organically, and they have a total keyword of 2,186 with a total Amazon search volume of 1.7 million. And we could help you bridge that gap. We could run a keyword gap analysis so that we'll find high volume keywords your competitors are ranking, and we add them to your listing. We will usually compare at least 10 competitors and focus on the keywords that consistently rank well. Now let's take a look on your strike zone. So your strike zone are the top 20 to 50 organic keywords that you're ranking for. They are not doing much yet for now, but we would like to move that to the top 10, and from there it can significantly increase your visibility and your sales. So if you will schedule a call with us, I can send you this keyword report, and we will focus heavily on strike zone keywords during phase 3 of the SEO process. And there are a lot of places where you could add these keywords. You could add that to the back end of your search term. You could update the title with more SEO up to 200 characters, and you could also update your bullets up to 500 characters filled with SEO and to your A plus content. Adding the right keywords in this area can help improve your visibility. And also, good job on using Amazon prescribed images to showcase your product. And if ever you need to A/B test different images from here, we find what drives the most sale for you. And also, looking at your A plus content, you have a brand story, so that's wonderful. It's another space for your listing to give your shoppers another reason to stay on the page instead of clicking on a competition. But I highly recommend for you to add like a product grid. And here is an example of a product grid. So it could increase your average order value by helping your customer discover other products within your listing. And we could improve your A plus content too. So as you know, we could add SEO to your A plus content, and it could help you trend organically. You could add around 500 words of content here and use the images embedded with alt text. So the alt text could take up to 100 characters of keywords, and you could include Spanish or common misspellings. So you will have a great looking A plus content and improve your SEO. And here at my Amazon guy, we are a full service Amazon marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands, more than 7 million in monthly ad spend, helping generate 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So our team will handle PPC, SEO, catalog issue, creative services, and brand protection. So whether you're trying to increase your ranking, lower your ad costs, or grow sales, we use proven strategies to help the brand succeed. So if you find this video helpful, click on the link below. We will schedule a call with an Amazon expert and you will learn how we could help your brand grow sales on Amazon.